Alrighty, this is an instructional video that we are going to go through of looking at the payment status indicators that was just discussed in the lecture. So you're going to click on Hospital Outpatient PPS. And then once here, you're going to click on Addendum A and Addendum B updates. And then to get the most recent, since we're in July 2021 when we're recording this, you'll just pick the most recent date and you're going to look for Addendum B. And you're going to click on Addendum B. Then it's going to ask you to accept the user agreement, so make sure you read through this before hitting accept. Then it's going to open a couple of Excel files. You're going to want to click on the Microsoft Excel worksheet. So from here, we can see the SI is the status indicator, and then this is the description of the HCPCS or CPT code. So we're going to go through a couple of examples. Again, right here in column C is the status indicator, and then this is the description of the HCPCS or CPT code. So let's get started looking at a couple of examples.